Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate rich results test for structured data verification, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To authenticate the rich results test for structured data verification, begin by opening a web browser. Navigate to the rich results test tool page, which is hosted by Google. Once on the page, you will see two options, URL and code snippet. If testing a live page, paste the URL you want to verify. If you're working with a code snippet, select the code snippet option and paste your structured data directly into the text box. After entering the URL or code snippet, click the Test URL or Test Code button. The tool will then begin analyzing your structured data for any errors or warnings. Once the test is complete, review the results displayed on the screen. Look for any sections highlighted in red, which indicate errors that need to be addressed. Warnings are shown in yellow and are not critical, but it's advisable to review them as well. If your structured data passed without issues, you will see a message confirming this. To further verify the results, you might want to check the structured data details. This section provides insight into what properties and types are recognized. Make a note of any necessary adjustments if errors or warnings appear. To implement changes, return to your code or CMS where the structured data is defined. After making adjustments, repeat the testing process to ensure compliance. Once validation is successful, you can confidently implement your structured data markup. This completes the authentication process for rich results test. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.